Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by reading the passage aloud once for a general sense. This gives you context and initial gut reactions. Once done, identify who's speaking and why. Tone follows purpose. Make quick margin marks at striking words and punctuation. These are your tone clues. Don't linger on vocabulary now, just collect evidence. This immediate, active reading sets up the analysis, so you can move to comparing specific words and patterns with common tone categories. Now you compile a short evidence list of 4-6 items: charged words, sentence length, rhetorical devices, and imagery. Then group those items. Do they cluster around sarcasm, admiration, urgency, or detachment? Make sure to weigh frequency and intensity. A repeated exclamation is stronger than a single adjective. Once grouped, match the dominant cluster to precise tone words. This narrows positive into affectionate or reverent, and you finish by writing a clear one-line tone statement and immediately back it with 2-3 strongest pieces of evidence. Quote when possible. Then explain the how. Show how word choice, sentence structure, and device produce that emotional effect. Once done, verify by imagining an alternate tone. If your evidence would still support it, reassess. Tip: if tone feels ambiguous, focus on speaker attitude toward subject. That distinction often resolves confusion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.